Want to know how to add budget in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Money Manager, so let's get straight to it. Now, since we are adding budget, here adding budget is super simple. You should be seeing total on the top navigation right here, so you can just simply select that. And now here you should be seeing budget by default if you have any. So if you don't, you can just simply select budget settings and add your budget. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this plus button, just simply like that. And here you can just simply add a category that you want to add a budget for. So let's say pets. So if I want a 5,000 budget, I'm just going to set it in and then select save. Now once that is done, as you can see right here, your budget has been set for this month, which is 5,000. So you can also edit it and change the dates as you want by just simply selecting it and changing your amount accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.